Hi everybody, this is Michelle Litwiller with OWLET Stampers, and I am excited to share with you my two online classes that I'm offering this July. I have a dinosaur card class and a Magnolia Lane. So let me show you what you're going to make and get in this class. Okay, the first one is the Dinoroar, and in this class you're going to make 4 awesome and cute cards. And you're also going to make a 3D pillow gift. So you have 5 projects total. Included in this class, you will receive a half a pack of the paper, the designer series paper. It's going to come 6 by 12. I cut it down for shipping purposes. You're going to also get a full bolt of the old olive and pretty peacock reversible ribbon. And you will get a sheet of the enamel dots. You can see I've used mine on my projects. You get a full sheet of those. You're going to get a full sponge that you can cut into wedges. You'll be using this on your projects as well. So this is the products that you'll get included in your class to create your projects. Now you will need the stamp set and framelits along with your ink to complete those, but you can add on the stamp set and the dies for a discounted rate if you'd like to do that in one of the options. My next class I have to offer this month is the Magnolia Lane, and again, I'm super excited. These are 5 beautiful cards that you can recreate. We have this one. This one does use some coloring with the Stampin blends. And then we have this one, and this one with the actual magnolia up there, this one, and this one. So there are a sneak peek of 5 of your cards you'll make in this card class. And in this one, you will be receiving another half a pack of the designer series paper cut 6 by 12. You will also be getting a bolt of this beautiful pretty pink organdy striped ribbon. You'll be getting a full package of the gold faceted dots. I realize these are silver, but you'll get these in gold. And then you will get a sheet of dimensionals to assemble your cards. Again, for this class, you are going to need the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set and dies. If you already have this, great. If not, you can add this on also at a discounted rate. To get all of the options or just to purchase the tutorials, you can go click the link below and you can order. Because there are 2 different classes, you're going to, if you would like to take both, you'll register for one and then go back through and register for the second one. They have 2 separate registration links, and if you decide to take both classes, you're going to get a free bolt of denim ribbon as well for taking both. So thank you, and I hope that you will enjoy these online classes in July.